The first important thing that we would do in the starting of the video is to revise what we learned in the last class. So friends, in the last class we learned the basics of Python, such as what is Python, who developed Python, where it was developed, how it got its name, what is the difference between Python and R, what are the advantages and functionalities of Python. If you want to get a detailed overview about this, kindly check the link given below in the description. So friends, today's target is to learn the basics of Python. Now, by basics I mean that from today onwards, we would be starting our coding journey. Now, friends, many have, a question, what is coding? So, in generally, there are so many languages around the world, like people speak French, Spanish, German, Italian. Similarly, in computer programming languages also, there are many different languages. And one of those languages that we are learning today is Python. So, from today onwards, we would be learning the coding programming language. So, friends, coding is nothing. It is a language that helps us in working with the computer. Like if you try to write something in English, the computer would be very confused if you are building an app, a game, a web page or something like that. So for making our work easier, different programming languages have been developed which help us in interacting with the computer and achieving our goal. So Python is an example of such language. So friends, today we would be starting the coding journey in the Python. So friends, today the first topic that we are going to cover is print statement. Now, computer works on three principles. Input. By input I mean the input values or input information that we are providing the computer. Processing. Second part is known as processing. The input given by us is processed by the computer so that it can provide us with a relevant output. Now, the third step is output. Now, the output is generated by the processing of input. So, basically, input and output are directly linked. Now, friends, print statement is a kind of an output statement. Print helps us in getting an output in Python. So, friends, now I will give you an example of how to write print statement. Okay, friends. Now, before telling you how to write print, you need to know where we are gonna code. So friends, we are gonna work on Python shell. How to download Python shell, where to find it, how to complete the download process, do not worry. For your help, in the description, you would find the steps and the link to download it. Kindly click on the link that would directly take you to the place from where you can download Python shell. Just find a suitable Python version compatible with your system and then download Python. Then friends, after downloading it, finally follow the steps mentioned in the description. And in the end, you would get this page known as Python shell. We would be right now coding over here, but in future, we would be trying different platforms as well. So friends, today we are gonna learn to write print. So friends, for writing print, you need to use small case. Write print, start circular brackets, then start double quotes, then write hello. After doing so, close the double quotes, close the circular brackets. Now friends, if you have knowledge about other programming languages, you might think that we need to end it using semicolon. Yes, you can do that in Python, but it is not a necessity. If you want, you can ignore the semicolon. Now, what is a semicolon? Like in English, you have a dot as a full stop. In Hindi, you have a poon viram as a full stop. Similarly, in coding language, you have a semicolon as a full stop. So, today I will show you that Python actually do not need a semicolon. After writing what you want to write, just press enter and see, in the next line I got my result, that is hello. Now friends, let's try to write something else. Print hello, YouTube. Kindly remember that if I write something wrong in it, it would not let me run my code. It would give me a syntax error. Can you tell me what error I made? Yes, friends, I forgot to write the double quotes. Now, friends, I would just write this statement again, but make sure start circular brackets, start double quotes, write hello, write YouTube, close double quotes, close circular brackets and press enter. See, here is your result. But you might think, can we write numbers with letters? Of course you can write it. See, print double quotes, hi 1 2 3 and press enter. Friends, see, it printed hi 1 2 3. Now friends, this thing is considered as a string. Now let's try writing numbers. Now friends, numbers can be written in 3 ways in Python. First way is write print, circular brackets, double quotes, 1 2 3, close the double quotes, close the circular brackets, press enter. Right now it printed 1 2 3 that was desired. But this is not considered a number. It is considered a string. Now let's try the second method, in which you need to write print, then circular brackets. Now this time I would write numbers without the double quotes, 1 2 3. Now see, enter. This time it also gave me the same output, 1 2 3. But friends, this output is not considered a string, but it is considered numbers. Now friends, the third and the simplest method is just directly type the number you want to print and press enter. See, this is also considered a number, not a string. So friends, you see how easy it is to write print in Python. Okay friends, so I hope you understood the print statement in Python. And if you have any doubts friends, kindly write in the comment section and I would love to answer them. Friends, in today's video, we learned about some basics about Python shell, print statement, input, output and processing, the difference between print statement for numbers and letters. But if you have any doubts or you want some information regarding any of these topics, kindly write it in the comment sections. I would love to answer them. And friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It is just the beginning to a wonderful journey. Now friends, in the next video, we would be moving a step ahead. Like today, we learnt about an output statement. In the next class, we would be beginning to learn about some mathematical operations and input statements in Python. And I hope you would be eagerly waiting for the video. Stay tuned to my channel, and if you like the video, comment and do like the video.